1 Corinthians 15:51 and 52 says, "Behold, I shew you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trump. For the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed." 1 Thessalonians 4:13 through 18 says, "But I would not have you to be ignorant, brethren, concerning them which are asleep, that ye sorrow not even as others, which have no hope. For if we believe that Jesus died and rose again, even so them also which sleep in Jesus will God bring with him. For this we say unto you by the word of the Lord, that we which are alive and remain unto the coming of the Lord shall not prevent them which are asleep. For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first. Then we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds, to meet the Lord in the air, and so shall we ever be with the Lord. Wherefore comfort one another with these words." Magbabalik siya. Magbabalik siya, ito'y pangako niya, isang kisap lang ng iyong mata, at siya ay babalik na. Ngunit ang aking katanungan, ikaw ba'y handa, kaibigan, sa pagdating ng sandali ng muling pagbabalik niya? Katulad ng magnanakaw na hindi mo inaasahan, sa kahimbingan ng iyong pagtulog, ang Panginoon ay babalik na. Magbabalik siya, ito'y pangako niya, isang kisap lang ng iyong mata, at siya ay babalik na. At ang mga mananampalataya na yumaon na ng una, sila ay bubuhayin niya sa pagtunog ng trompeta, at tayong buhay na naiwan, aagawin at makakasama sa alapap upang salubungin ang ating Panginoon sa hangin. Kaya ngayon, o kaibigan, maigi mong pag-isipan, habang mayroon pang panahon, isuko mo ang iyong katauhan, Pagkat wala na ng ibang pangalan ibinigay sa sangkatauhan, sa Panginoong Jesus na pangalan, makamtan mo ang iyong kaligtasan. Magbabalik siya, ito'y pangako niya, isang kisap lang ng iyong mata at siya ay babalik na. Ito'y pangako niya, palapit na ang panahon ng pagbabalik niya. Magbabalik siya, magbabalik siya.